So I've just came out of the shower. I need to dry my hair, that's what I'm going to do in a minute. But it's going to be a very productive day. Obviously vlogging this video, like doing this vlog. So that's one video. Then I'm going to film a makeup video with all the Love Island Revolution makeup that my mum gratefully, I don't know the wording, my mum got for me, and I'm grateful for, that's what I was meant to say. I'm so grateful for all the makeup. She got me lipstick, she got me a new eye product, and this is the brown Love Island eyeshadow, and then this. So this is a sneak peek, and this product as well. But I don't know what video will be going first, this vlog or the Love Island video. Probably the Love Island video, because I want to get it up as soon as possible. But after I film that and dry my hair, well, dry my hair and then film that, I'm going to TK Maxx, because right now they have got so many good things. So that will be in this vlog as well. So getting 2 videos done and going to the shops, it's going to be a good day. So this is the setup. I've not done this setup for quite a while, but my chair's there. I just sit on there, and then I have my phone stand there, and then the makeup is just right here, and then that's the setup. Let's go and do some makeup. I will show you it afterwards, because this video will be already up by the time you see this vlog. So this is the final makeup look I did for the video. Let me know what you think in the comments. The video will also be linked in the comments, my full review of the makeup, and you will see how I created this makeup look and what eyeshadow products I used in this eyeshadow palette. But now I'm going to get ready to go to get the bus. So I've been back from the shops for quite a while. It's actually 7:30 right now. I'm going to continue the vlog tomorrow, so it's not the end of the vlog yet, but I'm going to go live on TikTok. I'm doing a TikTok shop, so if you did not know, I do have a TikTok shop. So if you ever fancy any products that you see on TikTok, or just have a look on my TikTok especially, you might see something that you like. And I also do videos all about my disability and spreading awareness as well. So if you did not know, I feel like the past couple of vlogs I've been promoting my TikTok, but that is where I'm mainly active. I try and be as active as I can on every single platform, but because I've got the most followers on there and I get the most engagement, and because of that I can connect with you guys and interact with you guys way more than the other platforms. Not saying I don't interact with you guys, it's just way more easier. So if you ever want to interact with me and just know what I'm doing, I'm mainly active on TikTok, but all of my platforms are so different. Like YouTube is like vlogging, showing you my life. Instagram is mainly fashion. TikTok is like my disabilities, and obviously TikTok shop and stuff. But in all of it, it's just lifestyle, like my lifestyle. So I'm gonna show you the setup of when I actually do a proper TikTok shop. I'm not one of those TikTok creators that like orders request free samples yet. I'm generally still so new to it, but I've got products that I've got on my TikTok shop that I've already got in my room. So I normally just put that aside and show people it. So that's what I'm going to do now, and just collect all the items and set up my TikTok setup. Hi guys, so I just put the clips in the app that I edit on, and I thought I filmed a video this morning. I'm pretty positive that I did film a clip for this vlog this morning about what I was doing. So it looks like I'm cleaning on the same day, but the time lapse of me cleaning the desk was today. And then I went to go and get my lunch and I didn't do anything else. But I'm going to show you some clothing items that I bought yesterday from TK Maxx. And then I think I'm going to end this vlog here. It's been a mix match again. I think it's more like there's more a flow with the vlog than the last one, but I'm getting back into like filming the little clips that make a really good vlog, like time lapse, walking up the stairs, and just little details like that. If you ever want a video about how to like vlog, like how to make a good vlog, let me know in the comments. But yeah, let's get into showing you what I bought from TK Maxx. What I got from TK Maxx, I want to show you now before I go to bed. And then I'll probably edit this video in the morning or edit it tonight, because it's not that much of a long vlog and most of it's like time lapse. So hopefully it'll be a good vlog, but I am wanting to get it up tomorrow, so you get like 2 videos in literally less than 24 hours. But after 24 hours you'll get a new one. This will be the one, obviously. But if you have not seen the last one, I'll link it in the description. But it's the makeup video I was on about in the exact vlog. Before I end this, well, I'm gonna end it with like do my skincare and that, but I'm gonna show you the jacket I got. I've been really into these types of jackets lately. I've got a green one and now I've got a brown one, but this one is like short, cropped, yeah, that's a term, cropped, and for me being like only 5 feet, whatever, it's really good. It hasn't got pockets, but as you can see, it literally goes onto my hips, and this is what it looks like buttoning it up. So this is what it looks like when it's buttoned up. I think I would rather have it unbuttoned, and obviously it does not go with this top, but I'm going to show you what this top looks like. This is an Adidas top. And this was $19.99. So this is the Adidas top that I got. It's like pink and, well, violet and yellow. And obviously the logo, in a way, that and that is just white. And this is in a size medium. This was $12.99. in the TK Maxx that I have, they had quite a lot. But I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'm going to edit it now. Let me know in the comments what other types of vlogs you would like to see, and I will see you sometime soon. Bye.